How to Spoil Your Woman for Under 50 Bucks, the book, the channel, the podcast. Today we have our lounger set up here. We have a tray on our lounger. We're using some white appetizer plates with white napkins, white glasses, white and peach roses. We're using a peach napkin ring holder with a peach candle in the center. As we pan on around, this is definitely a time with not only the lounger, but we are enjoying our favorite tunes. So we have a turntable set up here. We have a fireplace at the edge of the lounger, and we look out upon this. This is definitely a time to sit and spoil your mate, enjoying the lounger, enjoying the time to be able to sit out. We have a table on the other side with lots of fruits. We have some sweets, we have some macaroons, some chocolates. We have a champagne with our white champagne glasses here. As you can see, the lounger, to be able to enjoy the view, to be able to enjoy the time together with your mate, enjoy the sounds of the music that brings you together, bring back memories or create some new ones here, and definitely enjoy this view. Just listening to the water, how serene it is. And if we want to go from this spot here, we have a picnic table sitting over that we can actually go from lounging and snacking to actually having a meal, come back and enjoy even more of what we're doing here. How to Spoil Your Woman for Under 50 Bucks, the book, the channel, the podcast.